Ebigambo bya Inspector General of Police bishomerwe Deputy Director Logistics and Engineering SCP Godfrey Musana.
Not patriotic and nationalistic, then you have no space in this police force. The other one is that you should be doing your job professionally. Underline those ones because they are within the constitution. And therefore, if you deviate from those, anybody who challenges you will challenge you around that because it is written, it is there.
I know that crime cannot be eliminated 100%, but you can contain it significantly so that our people live peacefully. So we request you, now that you have a station, make sure that you professionally handle cases better than you have been doing.
Omnyishengero wa Sheema Municipality Dickson Kateshumbwa ahikira hamkorogu kandi arabwire abanyabutegetsi na mnongo mu season yo bururu ngo bareke kutahataha mu mirimo ya polisi no kwenda kubakoresa enshobi.
And we will not interfere in the police work. In fact, Professor, I know you will talk about it. The politics of directing police, do this, arrest this one, we will not do.
But let me say something about community policing. Those who have not studied the concept of community policing in the police, you better do so.
Nyo kuba ku receiving complaints nkezo. Tubakubanza kureba omwe munonga echabaho cyo kwihaho. No bari interested on parties. Ezabazina kasente.
DPC wa Sheema District Kasore Consulanta ashabire government kubongera aha sente hamwe n'entambura wabo kuba n'ebichumbagizo buhereza.
We also have a challenge in transportation that is in Sheema North. We need also alternative power, a solar system that can keep the place lit up.
Yaashaba Michael atwachide.